expiration date looks good, but the food? Not so much. Happens all the time, doesn't it? Food waste is a global problem and Malaysia is no exception. Every year, a shocking 8.3 million metric tons of food goes to waste, equivalent to 259.82 kilograms per person. This waste not only strains our wallets, but also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and depletes available resources. A major contributor to food waste is the outdated system of manually tracking expiration dates, which tends to have errors and carelessness. Now, most consumers often ignore to check the expiry label on their food or do not even use consumable products on time that lead to this excessive waste. The waste not only affects household budgets but turns out to be a critical environmental consequence as thrown food is the cause of problems in landfill overflow. The challenge gets worse in large families, restaurants, and many more where food monitoring becomes complicated and inefficient. In restaurants, for example, incorrect monitoring can result in significant financial losses and increased waste, especially during peak seasons when inventory control is important. In fact, in a 2022 survey, 32.15% of Malaysians believe that expiration dates as a reason for food waste, while another 30.32% reported that food often gets spoiled even before they are able to consume it. Introducing our innovative product, Safetag, a smart expiration label container. Safetag is a revolutionary smart expiration label that combines RFID technology and color-changing stickers to provide real-time, accurate, and visible freshness monitoring.
In today's fast-paced world, convenience and functionality are more important than ever. Whether at home, at work, or on the go, people value storage solutions that are dependable, stylish, and versatile. Through extensive market research, we have discovered what people truly want in the storage solutions, which are a perfect balance of usability, robustness, and modern design. Based on those needs, we have developed the Safetag container that are made from high-quality silicone. Now, what are the technologies that are used in this Safetag container? On top of the cover, there is an RFID chip and a color-changing sticker, where RFID chip will be used to gain essential information regarding the expiry date of foods through the Safetag applications on the smartphones, while the color-changing sticker indicating the freshness of the food, where it uses the innovative chemical and electronic technology to change its color. Built with cutting-edge technology, this container also includes a protective layer that is made from polypropylene to protect the RFID and color-changing sticker, since this container is a microwavable. Plus, borosilicate glass is used to improve the longevity and the effectiveness of these labels and at the same time promoting food safety and waste reduction. So now, the question is, what are the novelty or the uniqueness of Safetag container? First, it is a microwavable container that will not destroy the RFID chip and a color-changing sticker, since it has a heat-resistant lid that covers the cover of the container. Other than that, it is scalable and versatile. It comes in various sizes compared to its competitors. Since it has RFID chip, this container can send reminders to users' smartphones to ensure real-time monitoring freshness of food, where it will be useful for busy household, professional kitchens like restaurants and warehouses. It monitors how long the food has been kept and delivers alerts when the expiration dates approach. Plus, this color-changing sticker is very useful to ensure the freshness of the food. Safetag container is reliable to use since it is made from a high-quality material such as silicone and borosilicate glass. These materials are resistant to wear, scratches, and temperature fluctuation, which will make the containers long-lasting. Safetag containers are not just practical, it is designed with you in mind. Whether you are storing leftovers or prepping meals for the week, you will love how they simplify your life and reduce food waste.
Now, let's take a closer look at how our business model not only addresses these features but also ensure profitability and long-term success. It is about how business generate revenue and profit from the operation. The first one is revenue generation through target markets. The business generates revenue by catering to two primary markets, individual consumers and businesses. For the consumer segment, the focus is on urban, tech-savvy individuals aged 25 to 45 who prioritize health, sustainability and convenience in their purchasing decisions. These consumers are likely to be early adopters of smart home technology and are drawn to innovative solutions that address modern challenges such as food waste and freshness management. On the business side, the company targets industries like food service, logistics and inventory management. Restaurants, grocery chains and logistic providers benefit from the ability to track and maintain food quality using smart containers, which streamline operation and reduce spoilage. By addressing both individual and organizational needs, the business maximizes its market potential and revenue streams. The second one is sales channels. The business uses a multi-channel sales approach to reach its audience. E-commerce platforms like Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada allow direct access to tech-savvy consumers who prefer online shopping. These platforms offer convenience, broad reach, and ease of use, driving a significant sales. Physical retail partnership provide another alternative for revenue. Collaboration with supermarkets and health food stores bring the product to consumers who prefer in-store experiences. Additionally, the company's business-to-business B2B strategy targets restaurants, logistic firms, and other organizations, creating opportunities for bulk sales and long-term contracts. The third one is pre-launch and market testing. The company plans to conduct a strategic pre-launch testing to refine its product. Testing during the holiday season targets a period of high food purchasing, allowing the business to gather relevant consumer data. This 2 to 3 months phase helps to identify issues and fine-tune the product for a successful launch. Market testing will focus on specific regions and demographics, such as urban areas with tech-savvy populations. The company also collaborates with online platforms and local retailers to work out the performance in different contexts. This effort reduces risks and ensure the product resonates with its target audience. Last but not least is consumer insight and product adaptation. Gathering customer feedback is a core aspect of the business model. Surveys, sales data, and direct interaction provide insight into consumer preferences and areas for improvement. This insight guides the product's evolution to better meet market demands. This repeated process not only improves the product but also builds trust with consumers. Customers who see their feedback implemented are more likely to remain loyal and recommend the product. Tailoring the product to specific business needs further strengthens its market position.
Safetag is positioned to not only succeed in the market but also outperform competitors such as Black Bear, Evidence, and many more. To enhance this, Safetag is highly versatile, perfect for perishable or packaged food. Its durable material of polypropylene is widely used in food packaging for its chemical resistance. Not to mention, Safetag is affordable and competitively priced, making it accessible to household, restaurants, and businesses alike. Did I mention that with Safetag, you get immediate food quality assessments, so there shall be no guessing when it comes to food freshness. Safetag is simple, clear, and embodies the trust and reliability that we strive for. Unlike other competitors which offer either RFID tracking or color-changing labels, Safetag actually stands out by combining a dual-layer approach of both technologies. How convenient is that? This ensures a digital traceability for businesses and a visual freshness indicator for consumers. We are not just competing, ladies and gentlemen. We are redefining the standards for food safety and freshness management. Safetag is not just another ordinary product, it's the future of food labeling.